every day. It is a new time of the year. It is fall out here in Northern California. We got a call yesterday. You're not even going to believe it. My friend, Tractor Dave, got called to do a demolition job. You're not going to believe what he's demolishing. They found a freaking log cabin, and he's got to take this thing apart, and they don't know what to do with it. I told him, hey, I've been looking to build a log cabin. So we're going to go check out this log cabin today. We are overstoked right now, bringing the fam, the mom, dad, Marie out to the freaking demolition log cabin, potential log cabin project that we could build in my off-grid land over here. So we're overstoking this morning. It's beautiful December 1st. Absolutely dreaming. Let's go check out this log cabin and see if we could build this somewhere for the dream. Got a little rock going on there. Possibility. I mean, I think this could be a good build for that top property. Hey. 3 generators, 2 Jimmys, a Marie in a cabin. What are we doing, Marie?
Well, breaking down this cabin and relocating.
We got to break it down and relocate it. Relocate it.
Built 80 years ago.
80 years ago, someone came out here with their bare hands, built a cabin. Jack, what do you think? First impressions?
We're gonna be here for a couple weeks. This is gonna be a good cabin.
We're gonna no. This is a couple weeks. We got 3 days. 3 days, dude. Right, Dave?
3 days.
They can do in 3 days, right?
3 days.
Tractor Dave's ready to demolish this thing. Now he's gonna relocate. Dave, what the hell are you doing?
I'm gonna take that door off.
You take that damn door off?
Yeah, that's a cool key though.
What's up?
Hey,
How you doing?
She found the original key.
Oh my gosh.
Except there's no lock to the door anymore, so.
I know that's a nice doorknob too.
Look
at that.
There's only half of it.
Look at the sheen on that
doorknob
thing.
made to match.
Jack, give me a breakdown. What do you think?
I think we need to get this roof off, start tearing everything down.
Roof.
We need a bulldozer.
No, he's got the biggest excavator in the world.
Where's it at?
Huh? It's at his house. What do you think of that?
Got a lot of shit here.
We got a lot of shit here. And I know boards. You know what I was doing research is you could cut into where there's like fresh wood, and then you just scab in a piece.
Yep. Cedar or hard? Well, it's rotten. It's gotta be fine.
You tell me. Kyle, we need nicknames for everybody for this. What's your nickname, Kyle?
Call me Squeaky McGee.
Squeaky McGee.
You're driving the board, camera guy.
Your camera guy. Hammer that thing. There you go. Come on, Jack. Whoa. Whoa. Get Kyle.
What up? Moving porcupines.
He's fighting the shit out of my glove, though.
Let me get a picture
him.
of this guy.
See him hold on to my glove?
Oh my gosh.
He's pissed.
He's not happy.
Yeah.
There you go, Bat. Oh, he's chilling with his bro. Oh! Yeah.
Don't fly back in there, dude.
The heck you doing, dude? The heck you doing?
Daddy.
Wow, why did they even dam that up?
Just to make walls.
Make it seem legit?
Yeah.
You just chucking her? Woo! Heck yeah. It looks bigger up here without it.
I know.
That is cool how they did that though. Wow, that was behind them pine boards? Kyle, what's your Squeaky McGee? Squeaky McGee. The destruction of the log cabin. This is fully in effect. The vision, the dream is happening. All right, there we are. Tractor Dave trying to remove this, what, ceramic chimney?
Yeah.
Ceramic chimney?
Chimney.
Chimney?
Terracotta chimney. Terracotta.
Fuck, I almost got my foot. You see that?
Well, I want to steal this.
If they were using ring shapes,
Whoa.
the flooring's probably got all ring shapes in it too.
Dave,
We
it's
won't mess with any flooring, any of that stuff up there until we get the roof off. We put it together just like, we take it apart just like they put it together. Yep.
Dave, you got it going on. Looks way better without the inner siding.
I know, it looks like a cabin now,
But I don't know. It's just cool. It's cool to see it. Looks like they shaved the wall down here, huh?
Yeah, there's a little packet back to get the siding on.
Wow. You love to see it. What's happening, Kyle?
Breaking stuff.
Breaking stuff. Chucky.com, Chucky.com. It's coming together. Yeah, Mom loves pulling nails. Yo, dude. What you doing? Hey, what you doing, dude? Hey, what's up, buddy? Yeah. What you? You're a cutie. You're a cutie. Day one is a wrap. Got the freaking inside out. These boys fully Chuckied it. Upstairs is gutted almost. And tomorrow the roof comes off. Kyle, 3 days this thing's gonna be done.
Oh yeah. 20 minutes.
20 minutes, bro.
We did it.
Come on, Tractor Dave. What do you think, Dave?
Yeah.
How do we do?
Great. I think we got a good start on it.
Right.
I mean, once we get the roof off of it, it's all just about picking logs off and putting them on the trailer. You know?
That's what I'm saying. Couple days later, dude. Wow. Jimmy in with Dave. He's gonna grab his fingers with his tractor, pick them right off. He's a cutie. Where's a cutie?
Be an ankle biter. Ankle biter.
Nature replaying that pretty quick.
It looks a couple years to me, huh?
Yeah.
Couple years since
But
this.
it is amazing how quickly things can.
Yeah. Yeah.
There used to be a
Mushrooms will take over.
bedroom here. Look at, they got a card table. Whoa.
This was the bedroom?
No,
Looks like it.
going on back here?
Well, it looks like this was another like living room, and then another like a bedroom here. Yeah, that's a bummer. That's a bummer. You did good today.
Thank you.
Good job. This is where the real fun is. When you go to move the wood,
Gotta fix the trailer.
when the trailer is broke down. Luckily, we found a log. Rolled the log back on. Rolled the log back on to jack her up when you don't have a jack. You never have a jack? Find a log.
I'll find it.